What's up, everybody? It's your boy Mako here. We are doing more anime reaction to One Piece. We're also going to be doing more manga reactions. We're reacting to Sakamoto Days. I need to do some more gaming, though. It's been lackluster on the gaming side. That's alright. But, yeah. Well, where were we? Luffy, everybody is going to help Usopp out with Klahadore. So we're going to rock out and see what happens. Like, subscribe, comment. Just comment. You don't have to do anything else. Let's do it. The Black Cat Pirates, baby. Here we are. Here we go. Klahadore's right there. Will he carry out his plan to kill Kaya with his golden turd coat? This is ominous. And did I make a mistake by watching the old version? I'm watching it the way everyone else did. I know they're remaking it, but I'm with the OGs. Those are nice glasses, Kaya. Commemoration. Don't hurt Kaya like that. What is he? I don't know. Oh no. Yo! He's heartless. Ugh. It's so brutal. It's so brutal. I love this. I don't love what he's doing, of course, but I love his shoes, though. She was sleeping through that? Don't buy it. He just goes in there covered in blood with finger swords. And where'd he pull that out of? The tense. You can cut it with a knife. The tension is what I meant to say. Oh my god, the blood's still on there. I thought this was a children's show. Just kidding. Psych. It's not. It's like it really goes. It's like that line. It's like Dragon Ball Z. Dragon Ball Z has some effed up moments. Django! I love this music. Oh my gosh. Here we go. Oh. Drop the anchors, boys. I can't wait to see this fight. Usopp. Usopp, you messed it up so bad. Her treasure. Yep. Nami, you jerk. You leave the greatest swordsman to slide down a puddle. That makes sense, because Nami's such a fighter. Come on, Usopp. Huh. He got there fast, man. Just started going ham. Tell him, Usopp. They all look crazy. Go, Zoro, you can do it. He's so stupid. I love him, but God. They all have like black eyes. God, they found the treasure. That's Nami's treasure, man. She needs that. Yeah, he's a hypnotist. How does he not remember this? He's a hypnotist. He got lost then. Yeah. Usopp. You're not weak, Nami. You're smart. You're a thinker. Oh, they're probably like, Oh, there you go. Yeah, there you go. Why didn't you do that earlier? Straight north. The two of the most fighters we need are stuck by the oil, or now was stuck, or doesn't know where north is. Great. Shout out to Luffy and the crew. Oh! I seriously don't remember a lot of this, even though I just read it. It's like a good refresher. I'm getting more double the One Piece. I'm getting a lot. Like, I forget what happens. There we go. There we go. That's what I'm talking about. Mike's a little hot. That's what I'm talking about. Yeah, boy. There you are. That's what I'm talking about. Yeah. Oh, he pissed. That's Luffy and Zoro. He's like, where the hell are they? God. I like how he has a bag just for us. Oh, Onion, no!
やっぱり屋敷のクラハドールだ。なんで海岸の方にこんな朝早くから。
Onion. There we go, baby. There we go. All right, so that was episode 12. We're about to see a fight, boys. I'm excited to finally see the fight. I want to see a fight break out. I want to see Luffy pop off. I want to see Zoro do the 3-sword style. I want to see the onigiri. You know what I mean? We're going to start episode 13. Let's do it. I love how he's just walking. It's like he's got his bag of swords, his finger swords, glove swords. Go, Onion! I love their ship, God, what is that? What's that part of the ship? Holy crap! They took down a whole cliffside. Okay. Do it! Do it! What a simple. You damn right he is, Nami. Get him. Go!
Captain Kurome, 影響ないなんて大間違いだぜ。あいつら。
分かっています。私だって逃げちゃいけない事態くらい。
Dang, at least she knows.
分かっているつもりよ。
Shout out to Kaya.
クラハドールと話をつける。
Yeah, I don't think you can talk things over though. I'm glad you're taking initiative. Onion! Little homies.
しっかり捕まってろよ。なんでツルツルなんだよこの鉄柵。
Even the guards are gone? Why would the guards leave?
あやさんが心配じゃないのか。ああ、いきなり誰か出てくる。
Kaya!
無事だったんだ。
She's weak, man. She's weak.
思い詰めてるみたいだぜ。かやさんが一人で外を出歩くなんて。何かある。絶対何かあるんだよ。
Watch her, boys. Come on, Zoro. Let's do it. Onigiri this mother. Onigiri this mother. He looks so
ほ
cool.
ぼ全滅って感じするわ。
まあな。
おい、そんなことより。シャム、俺たちはこの坂をどうあっても通らなきゃならねえんだが。見ての通り。
I don't get how they're cat pirates, but Django's like a hypnotist. Like, what sense does that make?
僕たちには。なあ、無事。ああ、あいつ強そうだぜ。
He has a cat little bell.
だいたい僕らはただの船の番人なんだから。ああ、そうそう、こんな戦いの場に駆り出されても。
切るぞ。
切れるもんならね。
Yo, whoa. That was creepy. Got him.
俺を見くびったら。よく受けたな。せっかく猫かぶってたのによ。
Did he take his swords?
知ったやるようだが、ヤバンブラザーズのシャムを甘く見ねえこったぜ。
Look this hand. Oh, he did.
なんかなくしたかい？俺は知らねえ
It's
が
a cat burglar.
出たかニコババ
Yeah.
その刀を返せ。
返す？刀ならてめえで持ってんじゃねえかよ。邪魔だな、こりゃ。
You don't touch another man's swords like that, man.
さて、これで来たんだ。俺は猫背なのさ。
Whoa.
やれブチ、出番で。
Somebody help him out. Ooh. This is what I'm waiting for. I want to see this.
逃がしたか。おい、しっかり押さえたな、シャマ。悪い悪い。あんやろ思ったよりバカ力でよ。
冗談
These
じゃ
guys
ね
are
え
insane,
ぜ。あ
dude.
んなの一発でも食らったら全身の骨が粉々になっちまう。
今度は逃がさねえ。ああ、たまや。
一刀流はあんまし得意じゃねえんだが。
The one sword style? Just the normal style, you mean, Zoro?
よし来た。シャマ。
I'm not good at with one sword, but 3 are great. Yeah. Get him, Zoro. Holy crap.
やばい、ゾロが押されてる。何する気？
二人相手に攻撃を受けっぱなしじゃ街が開かねえよ。援護する。
Do it, Usopp.
ありません。
He's trying to keep you guys from getting attacked by these freaks, Zoro. Or Usopp.
味方に攻撃してどうすんのよ。
いや違う。
せめてあと一本刀があれば。
Get the man his swords, dude.
私が刀を取り、
Yeah, there you go.
ゾロに渡せば必ず勝ってくれるはず。
だったら俺が。
無理しないの。あんたはフラフラじゃないの。
Do it, Name. Oh, no. Oh! Whoa, whoa, whoa!
刀に何の用だ。
It's none of your damn business. Oh. He pissed. He big mad.
これはその事情があってよ。もうとうに夜は明けきってるのに、なかなか計画が進まねえと思ったら。
Plan wasn't making any. Yeah.
殺される。
Captain Kuro is PO'd.
最悪だ。
Yeah, you're right. Nami just got sliced though. Let's get it, boys. Let's go. Let's go, boys. All right, guys. That was episode 12 and 13 of One Piece. We got to see Zoro in action a little bit. I'm pretty excited for that. That's good. I know this is going to get a lot better. And I know the animation gets a lot better. And there's so much more to watch. And I'm so excited to keep watching. So it only goes up from here. And just like the manga, you know, the manga started off slow. And yeah, it's getting great. Thanks, guys, for watching. See ya. Take care. Peace out.